Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make jasmine green tea. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan. Into this add 2 cups of water. Take 1 pack of Jasmin Green Tea Bag. This contains green tea, jasmine flowers with natural jasmine flavor. When the water comes to a boil, add the Jasmin Green Tea Bag to the water. Let this boil for 2 minutes in high flame. Green tea is very high in antioxidants, protects your liver, boosts brain function, prevents from cancer, promotes heart health, helps to lose weight, and it is very easy to prepare. Jasmine flowers are a natural immunity booster, relaxes and relieves stress, great for skin, offers hair benefits, has antiseptic properties, helpful in muscle spasms and helps in weight loss. Then to this add 1 piece of ginger. Ginger is again a very healthy ingredient. It is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure and very good for your heart. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted to the water. We are not going to add any sweetening ingredients in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this jasmine green tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes now and the flavors of the green tea, jasmine and the ginger has come together very well. Now off the flame and finally add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Let this rest for 10 seconds. Then remove the tea bag and strain the jasmine green tea. Serve the jasmine green tea nice and hot. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this jasmine green tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.